Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I will be presenting the emotion recognitions from video streams. An important applications of artificial intelligence and deep learning that enables computers to identify human emotions by analyzing facial expressions and uh, analyzing human expressions and videos. Unlike Unlike static image, video streams capture both facial appearance and changes in emotions or changes and expressions over time, allowing AI systems to recognize emotions more accurately. Emotion recognition is increasingly used in healthcare, education, security, marketing, and human-computer interactions to create systems that can better understand and respond to human emotions. So in this presentation, I will discuss the fundamental concepts of emotion recognitions, the deep learning models and tools used to develop these systems, the real-world applications, and current challenges, ethical considerations, and future directions. Okay. Emotion recognition involves identifying human emotions from visual data. Video streams provide both facial expressions and temporary dynamics. Applications include healthcare, security, marketing, and education. So, um, emotion recognition is the process of identifying person's emotional state using visual information extracted from facial expressions. Video streams are particularly useful because they provide both spatial spatial information, which refers to the appearance of facial features, and temporal information, which describes how those features change over time. Um, these combinations allows AI systems to recognize emotions more accurately than using single images alone. The technology has practical applications in healthcare for monitoring patients, in security for behavior analysis, in marketing for understanding customer feedback, in security for behavioral analysis, marketing for understanding the customer reactions, and education for evaluating student engagement. So, to facial expressions such as anger, contempt, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, ano to yung sa last to? So, what is emotion recognition? Classifications of facial expressions into emotional categories. Common emotions are happy, sad, angry, surprise, fear, disgust, neutral. Requires accurate facial feature extractions and analysis. So, Emotion recognitions is the automatic classifications of facial expressions into predefined emotional categories, such as these categories: the happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear, disgust, and neutrality. The process begins by detecting important facial landmarks, including the eyes, eyebrows, nose, and the mouth. These facial features are then analyzed using machine learning or deep learning. Al- Machine learning or deep learning algorithm to determine the person's emotional state. Accurate feature extract accurate feature ex, ex, the accurate feature extraction uh, is essential because even small facial movements can significantly influence emotion classifications. Importance of temporal information. Video streams capture the evolutions of expressions over time. Temporal cues, information signal slash, slash signal, improve accuracy over single image analysis, useful for detecting subtle mild in intensity or transient short-lived emotions. So, one of the major advantages using video instead of image is the availability of temporal information. Emotions naturally develop and change over time, uh, making it important to observe the sequence of facial expressions rather than a single moment. Temporal cues help AI distinguish between genuine emotional expressions and brief facial movements, improving recognition's accuracy for subtle or short-lived emotions. This ability makes video-based emotion recognitions more reliable for real-world applications. Facial feature extraction. Case steps: detect and track facial landmarks, use of convolutional neural networks, lip and media pipe for feature extraction. Focuses on regions like eyes, mouth, and eyebrows. Okay. Facial facial feature extraction is a critical stage in emotion recognition because it identifies the most informative parts of the face for analysis. Modern systems detect facial landmarks such as the eyes, eyebrows, and mouth using computer vision tools like OpenCV, Clip, and MediaPipe. Deep learning models, particularly convolutional neural networks, uh, automatically extract meaningful features from these regions without requiring manual feature engineering. This extracted feature serves as the foundations for accurate emotion classifications. Okay. Approaches to emotion recognition. Traditional ML, SVM, KNN with handcraft features, deep learning CNS, CNN, RNN and 3D CNN. Hybrid model using CNN plus LSTM for spatial temporal learning. Uh, emotional recognition can be achieved using both traditional machine learning techniques and modern deep learning approach. How? Traditional methods such as support vector machine and k-nearest neighbor rely on manually designed facial features before classification. In contrast, um, deep learning methods like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long-term memory, long, long short-term memory networks, and 3D convolutional neural networks automatically learn complex fatal patterns directly from large datasets. Hybrid architecture that combine convolutional neural networks and long short-term memory networks are widely used because they capture both spatial and temporal informations effectively. Okay? CNN-based emotion recognition. CNNs capture spatial facial features from individual frames. Retrained models like VGG face or ResNet use often refine-tune or on emotion datasets. Convolutional neural networks are among the most commonly used deep learning models for emotion recognition because they excel at image analysis. Convolutional neural networks analyze individual frames to automatically um, learn facial features such as the eye shape, eyebrow position, in-mouth curvature. Instead of manually selecting important features, convolutional networks learn these representations directly from training data. Pre-trained architectures like VGGFace and ResNet are often fine-tuned on emotion datasets to improve recognition's accuracy while reducing training time. RNN and LSTM models. What's that? RNN. Recurrent neural network model and long short-term memory network models. Recurrent recurrent neural network model temporal patterns and facial expression. Long short-term memory networks handle long-term dependencies and sequences. Combining convolutional network for feature with long short-term memory for dynamics is common. So, While convolutional neural network focus on analyzing individual frames, recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory networks are designed to process sequence of frames over time. Long short-term memory are particularly effective because they retrain important information from previous frames, enabling them to recognize how emotions evolve throughout a video. By combining convolutional neural network for feature extractions with long short-term memory networks for sequence modeling, um, emotion recognition systems can achieve higher accuracy and recognizing dynamic facial expressions. 3D CNS for emotion recognition. 3D convolutional networks process spatial temporal information in video chunks, capture motions and expressions changes over time. Examples: 3D. These are the examples in its references. Three-dimensional convolutional networks extend convolutional networks by processing multiple video frames simultaneously instead of one image at a time. This allows them to learn both spatial features and temporal motion patterns within short video clips. Popular models such as these three, as this con I can pronounce it well, have demonstrated excellent performance in video analysis. Takes because um, they capture facial appearance and movement together, making them highly effective for recognizing motion's dynamic environments. Video-based facial expressions recognitions. So input a sequence, face and facial landmark detections, then face registration. This is the input processing unit. So 3D third-dimensional convolutional network to convolutional long short-term memory to flatten and softmax. This is the uh, uh, data set or the common facial expressions. So several software libraries support the development of emotion. Uh, OpenCV provides power, powerful tools for image. OpenCV provides a powerful tools for image processing, video capture, and face detection. While using TensorFlow as its backend for efficient computation, Flask enables developers to deploy trained AI models as web application, allowing users to interact with emotion recognition systems through a web browser in real time. Together, these libraries provide a complete framework for developing practical AI applications. So, libraries, OpenCV, Keras, Flask. So, ito yun. The OpenCV is one of the libraries which is widely used in processing image, particularly real-time images. Keras, one of library which is used to code deep learning models. Its backend uses Flask. Stop. Wala. Ba't na naman? Flask is a popular Python web framework, meaning it is a third-party Python library used for developing applications. So, transformer models. Attention mechanisms for long-range emotion modeling can handle frame sequence without recurrence. Examples such as Timesfarmer or Time-Space Vivid Video Vision VXFR adapt for facial data. Transformer models have become a modern alternative to recurrent neural networks because they use attention mechanism to process sequence more effectively. Rather than analyzing frames one after another, Transformer identifies which frames contain the most important information for recognizing emotions. Video-based transformer models, such as Transformer and Vivid, have shown impressive performance by capturing long-range relationships between frames while reducing computational limitations associated with recurrent architecture. Multimodal emotion recognition. So, combines visual, audio, and psychological signals, improve accuracy using voice, heart rate, etc., such as FWILD2, TIP, or emotion analysis datasets. So, multimodal recognition improves predictions accuracy by combining multiple sources of information instead of relying solely on facial expressions. These systems analyze voice recordings, heart rate, skin conductance, and other psychological signals to gain more comprehensive understanding of a person's emotional state. Public datasets such as uh, FWAG2 and DEEP support multimodal research by providing synchronized visual, audio, and psychological data for training AI models. Multimodal emotion recognitions. Original database, to multimedia signal utterance down to the voice recording and the visual feature extractions or audio feature extractions into feature fusions, then this dimensionality reduction. Ito pa yung examples ng multimodal emotion recognition. Other datasets such as FER 2013, AAFEW, Emotion Double Rev Test. So, this is the another datasets. Deep learning models require large, well-annotated datasets to learn how different emotions appear across diverse individuals and environments. Popular datasets include these three: the FAIR 2013, which contains thousands of labeled facial images, the EFAW, which provides real-world emotional video clips, and the emotion oraphes, which combines facial expressions with speech. So these these data sets um, enable researchers to train, evaluate, and compare different emotions recognition algorithms under standardized conditions. So the challenges include occlusions, lighting variations, head pose. Kasi may mga ganon, chuchu, ganon. Cultural and individual expressions differences, real-time inference, and modal efficiency. Note, occlusions refers to situations where an object or part of an object, a person's hand or body, is partially fully black. Okay. Despite significant progress, emotion recognition remains a challenging problem due to variations in facial appearance and environmental conditions. Factors such as poor lighting, facial occlusions caused by mask or glasses, different head poses, and cultural differences and emotional expressions can reduce model accuracy. Achieving real-time performance while maintaining high recognition accuracy requires efficient algorithms and optimized hardware, making deployment in practical applications a continuing research challenge. Applications: healthcare detect depressions, monitor therapy, and security analyze suspicious or aggressive behavior. Marketing, gauge customer reactions, educations, adaptive learning base, ganon. So, emotion recognition technology has numerous real-world applications across different industries, such in healthcare. Um, it supports mental health assessments and patient monitoring. In security, it assists in identifying suspicious or aggressive behavior. Marketing professionals use emotion recognition to evaluate customer reactions to products and advertisements, while educational institutions use it to measure student engagement and develop adaptive learning systems. These applications uh, demonstrate the growing importance of emotion-aware artificial intelligence and improving decision making and user experience. Oh. Ah, oh. So, next tayo, ethical considerations. So, what are the ethical considerations nga ba? Um, Privacy concerns and continuous emotion monitoring, potential misuse and surveillance and profiling, need for transparent and fair models. Although emotion recognition provides many benefits, it also raises important ethical concerns. Mm. Continuous monitoring of facial expressions may threaten individual privacy, while the misuse of emotion recognition systems for surveillance or profiling can result in discriminations and loss of personal freedom. AI models may inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair predictions. Uh, Maybe developers must ensure that emotion recognition systems are transparent, fair, secure, and respectful of users' rights and privacy. So, future directions. Real-time on-device emotion recognitions, better understanding of subtle emotions, personalized emotion models, communication context. So, the future directions of emotion recognition focuses on developing faster, more accurate, and more personalized AI systems. Researchers are working on real-time emotion recognitions that operates directly on mobile and real-time emotion edge devices without relying heavily on cloud computing. Future systems will also recognize subtle and mixed emotions while adapting to individual differences in emotional expressions. At the same time, there is an increasing emphasis on creating privacy-preserving AI models that respect user consent and process sensitive data securely. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for your attention, for listening. Bye. Thank you.